Welcome to another iotkg video. In this video, we'll learn how to add or change the type of sensors that our espruino device can connect to. In this case, we're trying to read data from the Puck's battery sensor. Make sure you've watched the Espruino Web IDE video first before starting this one. All links and code snippets discussed in this video will also be available in the description box below. We're going to change the code that is inside the Espruino device. Go to this link for the Espruino Web IDE, which lets us flash code onto our Espruino devices. Connect to your Puck using the top left connect button. In the previous Espruino Web IDE video, we had this code. The second line of code automatically tells the Puck to connect to the Miflora's temperature, sunlight, moisture, and fertility sensors. However, we want to set our own choice of sensors for the Puck to connect to instead, so we can take out this second line of code and replace it with this. The one at the start sets the battery sensor as the first sensor in the app. The next line, name, labels the battery sensor data. This is how it will show up in the iotkg app. The next line, getValue, retrieves the battery level as a percentage. And the last line allows us to set our data collection interval in seconds. To run this, the command iotkg.start is used. So now, your Puck will only be reading its battery sensor, and not the Miflora sensor anymore. To test it out, hit the upload button to flash the code onto the Puck. Then hit the top left button again to disconnect from the Web IDE. Now let's see if we can read the data from the app. Go to the settings on your phone and restart Bluetooth on your device. It's necessary to do it from this screen for iOS devices, as this resets the Bluetooth settings on your phone, otherwise it may not recognize the changes. In some really rare cases, iOS devices may need a full reset in order to forget Bluetooth settings. Next, go to the iotkg app, go to your Espruino device, go to settings, and then forget the old device. This will delete all previously collected data points, so make sure you have exported them to ThingSpeak or other services if you don't want to lose them. Now go to the scanner and reconnect to your device. If you go to the graph, you should see it has been updated to only include the battery sensor. That's all you need to know to record the data from new sensors in your app. Now, if you want to include your Miflora data in addition to the battery sensor data, you'll need to follow the following steps. We'll first need to obtain the MAC address of your Miflora sensor. The MAC address is the Media Access Control address, and it's a unique ID assigned to different devices in order to differentiate them from other devices. To obtain the MAC address of your Miflora sensor, flash the following code onto your Puck. This will return the MAC address in the console to the left after a couple of seconds. Make sure to write down the address so you remember it. The MAC address is not case sensitive. Once this is done, you'll need to upload the following code. The MAC address of your Miflora sensor must be typed in here, along with the collection interval in seconds and the number of your sensor. It's important to note that the Miflora sensor has 4 different sensors included in it: temperature, sunlight, moisture, and fertility. So these 4 will actually take the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the reason why the battery sensor is number 5, as it is the 5th sensor connected to the Puck. Make sure to upload the code once you're done. You may see an error that says "Error, prompt not detected." This can be ignored because the upload should still work. Once this is done, we'll need to repeat the steps from above. Disconnect from the Web IDE and reset the Bluetooth on your mobile device. Go to the iotkg app and forget the old device. Go to the scanner and reconnect to your Puck, and you should see 5 different graphs for your 5 different sensors. And that's it! We hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.